Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we will be exploring the crucial aspect of cold storage management in manufacturing and the role sensors play in it. We'll be shedding light on the why and how of maintaining optimal temperature ranges, the benefits of an effective cold storage management program, and the innovative use of sensor technology. So, whether you're in the business of food and beverages or a part of operations or maintenance teams, stay tuned to learn how to enhance safety, reduce loss, and increase efficiency. Now, on to our main topic. Cold storage management is a critical topic for anyone involved in the food and beverage industry. It plays a significant role in keeping customers safe and healthy while minimizing loss and spoilage and reducing overall costs throughout the production process. Cold storage management is a complex process that involves ensuring that products stay within the optimal temperature range, managing the movement of products, and maintaining the comfort of employees. It also needs to account for changes in temperature and humidity depending on location and surrounding equipment. The key to a successful cold storage management program is determining where and how long products can stay within particular areas. You might be wondering why it's so important to accurately map cold storage temperatures. While the primary reason revolves around preserving the safety and quality of food, beverage, and even medical or other temperature-sensitive products, there are other significant purposes as well. By ensuring that food and beverage products stay within the optimal temperature ranges, manufacturers can preserve the nutritional benefits, appearance, and safety of the items. This also helps in minimizing food waste and environmental ramifications. Establishing a successful cold storage management program can bring about many long-term advantages. These include ensuring consumer safety, delivering high-quality products consistently, improving energy efficiency, promoting environmentally sound practices, improving productivity, providing immediate notification of temperature changes, and maintaining a strong brand reputation. Thanks to today's Internet of Things technology, wireless sensors make temperature mapping relatively easy to implement. They can be installed right out of the box and can send signals through a gateway that securely transmits this information to the cloud. This information can then be communicated through a web-based dashboard where a facility manager can manage and monitor sensor data, set alerts, and initiate work orders. Common use cases for cold storage management and sensor technology include the point of harvest, food and beverage manufacturers, restaurants, and grocery stores. All these industries require cold storage management and can greatly benefit from sensor technology. However, it's crucial to understand the consequences of poor temperature management. If food spoilage occurs, it can lead to consumer illness, food recalls, public distrust, and rising costs. According to a study by the Food Marketing Institute and the Grocery Manufacturers Association, the average cost of a food recall is $10 million in direct costs alone. In conclusion, investing in sensor technology can be a smart decision for food and beverage manufacturers. These tools can serve as a round-the-clock set of electronic eyes on your most important equipment, helping to address issues before they become major problems, and reducing or even eliminating things like food recalls and related health and safety issues. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of cold storage management, the benefits of an effective program, and the role of sensor technology. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your commitment to proper cold storage management is key to ensuring the safety and quality of your products.